What's going on, YouTubers? What's going on, t-shirt creators, man? So look, man, today I figured out something new. I know you guys gonna be excited, but look, man, I need you guys to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button for me, bro. This is gonna be one of the most plain and best YouTube videos out there. Like, I'm telling y'all, no cap. So for all you t-shirt makers out there that's using this right here, hold on. Epson 2720. And you want to know how to make the image bigger. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that, because every video that we watch, it always be a lot of talking and a lot of shenanigans. Nobody actually explains to you what you got to do to get a large picture print. So today, I'm going to show you how you finna do that. Before we get into it, I'm going to show you guys what I got so far. And look, I'm going to tell you right now, I didn't use A-sub paper, but I do have A-sub paper. I have A-sub paper right here, but I just decided to use, instead of using, you know, expensive paper, this box costs like almost $40. So I decided just to use printer paper and so my microphone went out on my camera, you guys. So we're gonna get right into the video. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully this video is for y'all. Let's get right into it. What's going on, guys? So we're gonna get right into it. I ain't gonna do too much talking. So look, today we working in Photoshop, and this was the image that I used, but we're gonna delete that. And right now, this size right here, what I got, this is a 8x14 size right here. So basically, let me find me an image real quick. We're gonna use the PUBG. Hold on. The image stretched out into a 8x14 right here, as you guys can see. So we're gonna go up here to File. We're gonna hit print. Once you hit print, make sure you always, cause I got different printers, so I'm using my Epson 2720, as you guys can see. We're gonna go to print settings, and you can use landscaping mode or you can use portrait mode. So today, in order to get those 4 blocks that you guys seen, we're gonna do portrait mode. Okay. And the settings today, we're just using plain settings. We're not going to actually get into settings. But this is the main thing that you want to pay attention to. Multi-page. You see right here? This is where it get great at. So the first one at the top is the 2 up. So that's 2 pieces of paper will have to be used in order to put it together. But today I'm going to show you guys the 4. So just like I was saying earlier, we're going to use the 2x2 poster, right? Once you do that, go over here to more. Make sure you always got your mirror image. Press OK. Once you do that, it's going to come up like that right there. Then we're going to hit print, and we're going to go to the printer, and we're going to see what's going on. So I'll see you guys at the printer. Print these 4 pages out. So I'm going to bring the camera up for y'all. Y'all know how the Epson 2720 go. Let's get it. And don't worry about the colors right now. Like I said, you guys, if I wanted to make my colors pop, I could. I'm just using plain settings with plain paper. Keep it plain and simple today. That's 1 sheet, so we should get 4 sheets. That's the 2nd page. And one thing about this, what I noticed is that it's borderless. So you will have to do some trimming in order to make the image pop. And I'm going to show you guys how you do that. We took this image and we divided it into 4 in Photoshop. So if you guys wondering how I did that, pay close attention to the YouTube video. Make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss a step, you guys. I don't want to see no bad comments. I'm just doing this just to help some t-shirt makers out there that's trying to make some extra money and, you know, don't have the money to buy the big Epson. So today, hopefully this will help. 4 pages. So, I wonder y'all looking, excuse my table, like I said, it's a little messy. So what we want to do is spread it out so we can see what we got going on over here. It's very easy once you get it together. It's just like putting a puzzle together. Okay. All right, guys. So we got the image together, right? And I don't know if you guys can see. So you see the white border that's around it. So what we're going to do, we're going to fix it to where all right, guys, so we got it together, right? So I don't know if you guys can see the white borders, the lines that's right here. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to line this up and see which one we want to cut. So cut the border off this one. See right here? We got to cut it, trim it, so we can line it up with this. So I'm going to give you guys a quick, you know, nothing, just going to rush through it. Take your time on it too, y'all, if y'all want to get the perfect line up. So basically, oh, let me get that white off right there. Now I want to take your time, all right? That's part of making it right. And you want to line it up, all right? But when you do it, y'all don't want to leave too much white in it, so take your time. But I'm just going to show you guys today how to do this. We're going to cut the other one. Same thing. Just like that, y'all. Y'all see us getting together. I ain't even got to do too much talking. I know you guys see what's going on. So basically, y'all will take this and y'all will cut this. Cut that line right there. That'll be the last thing you cut. Then you're going to take this and you're going to place it on top of it. Then you're going to tape it together. That's what's going to get you that right there. From the Epson 2720. So if this, like I said, y'all, like I was saying, you guys, appreciate you guys for liking the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully this worked for somebody out here. And also, y'all can follow me on Instagram at Junior Gang Productions. You can follow me on Facebook at Junior Gang Entertainment. If you guys have any help, any questions, just comment at the bottoms. Like I said, we're going to get these t-shirt business and people that's out there struggling with the business, teach y'all some stuff that y'all don't know, because everybody don't give out instructions the right way. So you know me and everybody that's out there, I hope this video helped. We out of here till next time. Gone.